Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you what happens when you cut a plant. I don't mean cutting in like cutting a little corner off of a plant's leaf. No. I mean this. Yeah, I did it. You might think, oh my gosh, I just cut my plant, it's going to die. No, it's not. Don't be dramatic. It's not going to die. It's going to grow bigger and better. You might not believe it, but when you cut off a plant, it literally makes no difference. It just gives the plant more energy to produce newer leaves. Same thing with what you see here. I cut this Alocasia amazonica, I think a month back. I just cut it off at its base, and it hasn't only grown one, but two new leaves. That's great, right? So just keep in mind that whenever you accidentally or on purpose cut a plant, just have some patience and it will grow back, just like this Alocasia amazonica. What you do need to watch out for is with most tropical plants are highly toxic to both humans and animals, just like this plant. I am not going to touch the sap because if you touch it, it could cause skin irritation and it even can cause swelling if you somehow consume it. So whatever you do, just try to not touch it and always wash your hands good after. I also cut this Monstera adansonii. Oh, you can see it. Wait. I also cut this Monstera adansonii 2 months back. I cut it right over here, and it hasn't only produced, it hasn't only grown a whole entire new stem with 3 leaves. It has grown another, so 2, 3, 4. The 4 sounded really country. 5, and lastly, 6. Yeah. So just know, whenever you cut a plant, just try to propagate it. And when you do want to propagate the plant that you cut, don't cut it like I just did here. You need to cut it precisely. I mean, I just cut just a leaf off, as you can see right here. But if you want to propagate it, besides begonias and maybe some other types of plants, you're not going to be able to propagate by just the leaf or maybe stem. A lot of plants can, but most can't. So what you do is you find a node, and a node, I'm going to take this Monstera adansonii mint, for example. Whenever you are searching for a node, remember that a node is where a new leaf comes out. It's usually a bit thicker than the rest of the stem. Like here, you can see that the node also has aerial roots. Aerial roots, well, the name pretty much says it all. Aerial roots are just roots that absorb moisture from the air. It also helps, see here. So yeah, always when you try to propagate a plant, just be sure that that your cutting has a node. Or take this pink princess philodendron as an example. Where a leaf comes out, that's a node. So this, you can also mostly recognize it because it's bigger. It's a node, and you can also recognize it by the aerial roots. Some plants don't have aerial roots on the node, but that's alright. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this helped. And keep in mind, go propagate and cut your plants. It's going to only just support new energy for new growth. So please cut your plants. Not all of them, because they're gonna look bald for some time. And also you can see with this one, it just grows a new leaf like that. It's almost like magic. Well, thanks so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and stay planty.